Let's cook one of the easiest and most flavorful meatless dishes from south of Iran. Here you may see the ingredients needed for falafel. Remember, there is no need to cook the chickpeas. Let the chickpeas soak for 24 hours. Boil the potato. In the meanwhile, chop the vegetables. Peel the garlic cloves. Cut the onion into chunks. Green the chickpeas, onion, garlic cloves, and the potato. You can use breadcrumbs as a substitution for potato. Knead them all together. Add cumin and coriander seed powder. Shape each piece using mold or just hands. For better result, let them rest in the fridge for 1 hour. Once the oil is heated, let the falafels fry until crisp and golden. Serve it with bread and sweet and sour mango pickle. Trust me, it's a game changer. Nusha Jan.